Hello everyone, I am Zishan on behalf of Shri Aurobindo Society. I welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platforms of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. Today, we will be discussing new and innovative techniques to make the learning process more successful, more interesting, and fun filled for our students. Today, the chapter that I am going to take is Drawing Competition of Class 4. It is from the UP board. The chapter number is 2. The subject is English. The name of the ZIIEI innovative idea is naming method. The innovation is that through the idea naming method, the students are able to even learn in their leisure time. The time required to implement this idea is 20 minutes. Today, we are going to be covering the concepts of vocabulary and antonym. The teacher needs to arrange the following for the students before implementing this idea. Chits for writing the names and a stapler to staple the chits or a sellotape. The educator needs to keep in mind that the following instructions are to be given to the students before implementing this idea. Choose individual names based on the words in the lesson for each student. The names chosen should have the scope for value addition. Assign these names to the students. After 2 days, add value to these names by defining them further. Initiate the process of naming in the following manner. Name the students by specific words and other students will address them by the name selected or given to them. Assign the names words related to the chapter on the chits. Attach these chits on their shirts so that they are visible to other students. Continue the process of naming by addressing the students by their allotted names for 2 days. For example, student 1 morning, student 2 enter, student 3 go, student 4 fine, student 5 brought, student 6 draw. Conclude the process of naming by adding the new information along with the previous names. For this chapter, the meanings of the words and antonyms of them have been added. For example, the name of the student 1 was morning, so an antonym has been added. The antonym of the word morning is evening. In the same way, student 2 was enter. The antonym of enter is exit. Student 3 was go. Now it is come. The antonym of go. Student 4 was fine. Now we have added the meaning of the word fine as the concept of vocabulary. So the meaning of fine is theek. Student 5 was brought. The meaning of brought is laya. Student 6 was draw. Now the meaning of draw would be chitra banana. In this way, we will be able to revise the concepts of vocabulary and antonym. We can achieve the following learning outcomes through this ZIIEI innovative idea while revising the chapter Drawing Competition. Respond to simple instructions, announcements in English made in class or school. Respond verbally in writing in English to questions based on day-to-day life experiences and poem heard or read. Infer the meaning of unfamiliar words by reading them in context. The following key points are to be noted while implementing this idea in this chapter. Encourage the students to find out more about the names assigned to them. If there is a shortage of words, The class may be divided into groups or pairs. This idea helps in relating the concepts with the immediate surroundings and day-to-day usage. This activity ensures the active participation of the students inside the classroom, which is a key aspect of peer learning approach as discussed in NCF 2005. The duration for the implementation of the innovative ideas is based on the assumption that the pupil teacher ratio, which is PTR, is constant at 30 students and one teacher. Core life skills that can be included is effective communication. Values that can be touched upon are equality, believing that everyone deserves equal rights and be treated with respect and equally. Fairness, acting in a just way, sharing appropriately. Benefits of using this innovative idea for children with special needs, which is CWSN, are children with learning disabilities often struggle with remembering and retaining new academic words, so they will be able to retain them in a better way after learning. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to our channel on YouTube and like our page on Facebook.